Can children with autism really enjoy life without being in front of a screen? Today, we're going to find out as we explore awesome autism activities. My name is Kenneth Timms, and I'm the father of two sons who have been diagnosed with autism and ADHD. Let's see if we can have some fun without a screen. In today's episode, we are going to make homemade pizza. That's right, homemade pizza. Let's see if they can do it and enjoy themselves without their screens. Watch this. Okay, pour your oil in there. You got it? Pour it. It's in there. Pour it. Pour it. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. Morgan, wait. Fill it up. More. Put more. Okay, more. Gotta figure out what I'm trying to say. More. 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 Good job. There you go. All right. Good job. Fine. Do it now. You want to go over. Okay. All right. Here, brush. Kenny, are you making pizza? Okay. Fill it up. Here, you gotta fill it up. Next. That's good. Do it again. And one more. All right. Okay, move that over. All right, fill that up. No, out of here. That was smart, though. That was smart. You need both of them. Huh? Yep, good job. Keep going. Okay, use a spoon. Don't shake it too much. And spread it out. Okay, Kenny, pour this in there. Fill these up. Okay, here. Fill that up.
Don't let its laser beam hit you.
It's a dream.
This wants a dream.
All right, good job. Here, let's put a little bit more in there.
You awake. You awake. Go! It's me. Go!
All right. Okay, pour that over there.
Time to close. Time to close.
Here, use your brush and brush the rest of that out. Brush. Pick up the brush. Brush that out. Brush it out of here. Put brush in the cup. In the cup. Inside. And brush. Brush it out. There you go. All right. Okay. Good job, Morgan Allen. All right. Let's put that over there. All right. Good job. Morgan, that looks good. Kenny, that looks good. All right. Okay, Morgan, look. Kenny, let me get you a spoon. Spoon seems to work a little better. All right. Okay. Okay. Spread it out. Okay. We need 8 ounces of Parmesan cheese, mozzarella. We got Parmesan. Morgan. Hold on back. Let's get the mozzarella. All right, Morgan, you ready? Just sit on the Kenny. It's good.
Yes.
Okay.
Any comment? Yes.
Yes. Morgan Allen. Here, you need
Any comment? Yes.
8 ounces of cheese. Here. 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Look at that's 8 right there. Pour in 8.
Don't see.
Open it. It's all right. It's all right. Here. Open it.
It's a dream. Oh, thank God,
All
it's
right.
a dream.
Good job. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. It's
What
a dream. Is that 8?
Please.
Yep, that's 8.
Oh, this is the one.
All right. Pour it on your pizza.
Good
Good job. That's 8.
My ear. What the? How can you say?
8. Yep. All right. Pour it on.
My, that's very nice. That's very nice.
Pour it in the middle.
Oh.
Yep. Yep. That's fine. Pour it in the middle. Okay. Yours is empty. Okay. You work on that. Kenny, put your spoon down. Okay. Pour 8. You need 8 ounces. Open it. All right.
What?
Okay. How much is that? Okay. 8 ounces.
Huh?
Yep.
Huh?
Pour it all in the middle.
What the? Bye.
There you go. All right. Use your spoon and spread it out. Morgan, you're doing a good job. You did a good job of getting it off the sides. Good job, Kenny. Morgan, you're doing a great job. Buddies, these pizzas going to look great. They're going to taste great. Look at there. Looking great. All right.
No.
What are you talking about, Kenny?
No.
You got it? You good? All right. Okay. All right, buddies. You got 25 pepperonis. You can put them on any way you like. That's on it too.
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse you. Kenny, what are you making? Kenny, what are you making?
Pizza?
Pizza. What kind of pizza? What kind of pizza are you making? Kenny, what kind of pizza are you making? Huh? Kenny, what kind of pizza are you making? What is this?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni. Morgan Allen, what are you making? Morgan Allen, what are you making?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni what?
Pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. Concentrating. All right, good job. 25 pepperonis. You full?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put the rest of them back. All right. How many pepperonis did you use?
Yeah.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. All right.
Look. 15.
Yeah. Okay. Might be 16.
16.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Good job. Yep. What's the square root of 16?
16.
Yeah. What's the square root of 16? You remember?
Yeah.
What's 4 squared?
4 square.
Yeah.
4 square.
What's 4 times 4?
16.
16. What's 16 divided by 4?
4.
Yeah. What's 16 divided by 8?
8.
What's 16 divided by 8?
Equals.
You remember?
2.
Good job. Yep. 16 divided by 2.
8.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
18? Okay, cool. What's 18 divided by 2? Morgan Allen. What's 18 divided by 2?
9,
9. Good job. What's 18 divided by 3?
6,
Good job. What's 18 divided by 6?
3,
And what's 18 divided by 9?
2.
Good job. All right, you ready? It's time to put them in the oven. We got an oven here, and we got an oven here. All right, let's get ready to put them in the oven. Here we go, Kenny. All right, let me have it. Here, hold the camera. Here, hold the camera.
Wow.
Hold it up, record. All right, time is up. Time is up. Everybody's screaming and yelling. Let's see what we got. Okay, there's one. There's another one. All right. So let's get these out. Sing it, do your dance and sing your song. Pizza dance. Morgan,
Okay.
do your pizza dance. Pizza.
Go.
You gonna sing?
Yo.
Sing it, son. Huh? Pizza.
The pizza.
You gonna sing your song?
No.
No. Aw. You said pizza, oh pizza. I love the pizza. All right, here we are. There are the pizzas. The difference between the air fryer at 12 minutes and the oven at 12 minutes. Which is fine because they like them crispy too. Looking good. That one was cooked on the tray. That one was cooked on the rack.
Go.
So more than just the air fryer differences. All right. But these other pizzas, Morgan, look at your pizzas. Kenny, come look at your pizza. How you like them? You ready? All right, we gotta let them cool off. Look at your pizza. Yeah. Those are your pizzas. You'll each get one of each, some of each other's pizza. All right. Hey, bud, how you like it? You like it? Morgan, how do you like your pizza? It's good? All right. Kenny? You ready? You ready? All right. Let's eat some pizza. Good, good, good. Is it hot? No. You can blow it. Just blow it. Huh? Yeah, you got 2 of them. 2 from Kenny's, 2 from Morgan's. All right. All right. There you go. Pizza with ranch. All right. Good job, buddies. Good job making pizza. Thank you for making dinner. You did a great job. All right. And there you have it. My sons with autism made homemade pizza, and they had fun. Even though the screens were still on, they were not on the screens. And wait till you see what happens on the next one. This is Ausome Autism Activities. Having fun without the screen. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video.